In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Garmin Vivoactive 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you a basic starter guide on how to set up and use your Garmin Vivoactive 5. These steps are going to apply for any Garmin watch model that you have, including, of course, the Vivoactive 5. So first, when you power on the device, you just have to make sure that it is sufficiently charged. You can use the provided charger to fully charge your watch before using it for the first time. Once you power it on, you will be able to go through the setup process. So you will choose the language, you might get the prompt to pair it up with a phone, which is highly recommended, and other options such as setting up your profile. Now, what I recommend that you do before you actually start using it is to connect it to your phone. By doing this, you will be able to keep track of all of your data, you will be able to set up challenges, access the calendar, newsfeed, and so on. So download the Garmin Connect application on your smartphone. You will be able to find it on the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Once you have Garmin Connect, sign up for free. And once you are signed in, choose the Add Device option from the home screen. In here, you will be able to browse through various popular models that can be connected to the application, including the Vivoactive 5. So if you don't see it initially, just go over to Browse All Compatible Devices and find the list here of devices. Now look for the Vivoactive line, and then you should be able to find it. Once you see your specific Vivoactive watch that you would like to connect, tap on it and follow the instructions on screen. If you have a device that you just got out of the box and you are still doing the setup process, like I mentioned, usually they are going to offer to pair it up with a phone. So you just have to tap yes. If you tap no before, then just go over to these settings and you will be able to find the option to pair it up with a phone. So manually head over to these settings, choose it there, and once again you will get instructions on how to set it up. Once it is in pairing mode, put it in close proximity of your smartphone and you will be able to get this done. With this connected and all of the setup process done, you will be able to use all of the functions. So you have heart rate monitoring, activity tracking, sleep tracking, stress tracking, and so on. I hope I was able to help you in how to use your Garmin Vivoactive 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.